Alright guys, so let's quickly talk about the Grass Airdrop Season 2 claim. Alright, so a lot of people are getting really pissed off about what Grass is doing as regards their airdrop. People are beginning to call it a scam project. So let's quickly talk about it on this video. Let's find out what the community is talking about on the Grass Airdrop, and of course what you should be expecting. Okay, so as you all may have known, the Epoch 13 has actually went live, and currently we are on the Epoch 13. So the Epoch 12 point network point and all that has been distributed. You can see we got our network point right here, and of course we got our normal point right here, which is of course the grass point, which include so many other points gathered all together. It has been distributed, so you can check out your account. So over here we are currently on the Epoch 13 right here, and of course you can see the earning has started coming in already. So right now let's check out Twitter and see what the community is talking about as regards the Grass Airdrop Season 2, and basically all you need to know about the Grass Airdrop Season 2. All right, so before we do that, guys, as always, you can still participate on our Coin giveaway if you're interested. All you need to do to participate is to just go ahead and click on the subscription button. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the bell icon that will be appearing and select all, so that whenever I post new video you will get to know about it immediately. Also go ahead and give this video a thumbs up like this. Okay, go ahead and give it a thumbs up like this. Make sure you share the video, then finally drop a very nice comment on the comment section so that you stand a chance of getting picked among our next Coin giveaway winner. So right now on Twitter, you can see that the community are clearly expressing their anger, and a lot of people are calling the Grass Airdrop a scam project already. You can see right here, this person writes, it's been over 1 year now and you still haven't given any information about the airdrop for stage 2, which is another word, season 2. Why should we continue support this initiative if you're not prepared to do your part? So you can see this person is clearly expressing his anger, and right now he's not the only person who is actually getting annoyed about what Grass Airdrop is doing. But myself, I'm also annoyed, but I've grown and I've understood what's involved for a project to actually do an airdrop season 1 and do season 2. Okay, so right now let me show you guys more things that the community are actually talking about as regards the Grass Airdrop. So over here right now, this guy is basically saying that it's the same as season 1. He's referring to season 2. He's saying that season 2 is the same thing as season 1, and he went ahead to say that season 1 actually ended on August 2024, and after that they actually extended it with a bonus epoch after 2 months. That is, they added 2 months after that, and they actually airdrop grass that October 28th. So he's basically saying that during season 1 it was actually airdropped around October 28th, and basically we are already on November, so October already passed. So basically I'm not really understanding the point he's trying to make right here. So, and for those of you who are actually calling Grass Airdrop a scam project, personally I think it's not, because basically Grass Airdrop is not asking for your funds. It has never asked you to transfer anything. He has never asked you to deposit anything. Basically you are not spending anything to farm this Grass Airdrop, though you are investing your emotion, time and data, but still normally you are going to have data to access the internet and your social media account. So basically to farm Grass Airdrop, all it requires is for you to on your phone, on your Grass Airdrop app, and keep it connected. That is also, if you are calling it a scam project, then I'm not sure if you are totally right. You are wrong, because they have never taken anything from you. Basically all it requires is for you to connect your internet. So let's now go ahead and find out what people are talking about this. So all these dipping projects safe Grass no grade do season 2 airdrop. So okay, over here this guy is saying Grass ended in 12th epoch. The 13th epoch will be the last, and after that it's an airdrop still not here. So over here he's basically trying to say that Grass Airdrop is ended in epoch 12, which has already ended, and it says the epoch 13 will be the last epoch, which is the epoch that we are currently on, and after that there's an airdrop. So he's basically saying that after this epoch 13 we are going to be having an airdrop. So he's clearly expressing his own thoughts about this. So Okay, so this guy said, if I don't have total network points, does that mean I won't get grass airdrop? So the answer is no. Even if you don't have network points, you are also going to be getting your grass airdrop. So far you have the grass points right there. So for this person right here, he's basically not seeing his network points because he's probably using the he's probably using the app. So using the app is very okay because it's fasten your earning 3 times. But if you go to the web page, you are going to be seeing your network points just like this. If you go to the web page, then make sure your phone is on landscape mode, okay, not like this. So if you turn it that way, you are going to be seeing your network points right here immediately. So basically, this is all you need to know right now as regards the grass airdrop. So let's go to the grass airdrop handle to check if they have actually made any announcements about their project. So over here on the grass airdrop handle on Twitter, okay, so you can see the last post that they made right here was actually on the 24th of October, when they made announcements concerning the call that is going to be taking place on December 2025. So the call is going to be when the community are going to be asking all their questions, because they actually understood that the community has a lot of questions to ask, especially the airdrop season 2 claim. So the call is going to be around December, but they never said anything if they are going to be doing the airdrop before that or after that. So we are just being optimistic. Personally, I am. So, and you can see over here a lot of people are not actually happy with this. So they say right here, seems like season 2 drop won't be happening anytime soon. Yeah, it won't be happening anytime soon. So so let's see if anybody said anything. Okay, my wallet has been hacked, and I need to change the wallet address, and if you don't have a wallet change feature, then do include it, otherwise all those in need of wallet change shall stop sharing. So basically, this person's wallet has been, he has lost access to it probably, so he's now asking the grass airdrop to, or the grass project to add that feature so that people that want to change their wallet can change it. And I think that is a very, very nice thing to ask of, because personally, a lot of people may have misplaced their wallet and they don't have access to it or again. So if grass airdrop will add that feature, then I think it's going to be a very nice and interesting development right there. So over here, guys, a lot of people are talking about this right here. For example, scam or so a lot of you may have gotten this message. Let me show you clearly right here. Okay, a notification as regards the grass airdrop, people telling you to do 1 or 2 stuffs right there. So checking out my notification, let me show you, because I've gotten that kind of notification a lot of time. People asking me, you can see over here, I got this notification right here. They said the biggest crypto pump signal is here, join this action. So these people are literally sharing link randomly, directing you to go to a fake grass airdrop page claiming to be grass airdrop. So I need you to know that this is a total scam. You should avoid it. So anytime you see this type of thing, you can see grass airdrop finally live now, and they said something like a total of 100 million grass token will be distributed to eligible grass based on their on-chain activity, and they will go ahead to give you a lot of details as regards grass airdrop. I need you to know that this is clearly a scam, and you should make sure that you never interact with it. So grass airdrop will never send you direct notification tagging people. That is clearly a scam, and if you fall for it, you are going to lose your account. You are clearly going to lose your account. All these things you are seeing right here are all bots. They are bots. They are not real human. You can see they are not real human, and over here they are just over there to convince you to fall for this scam. Do not fall for it, and never fall for it. There's no reason why grass airdrop will actually go ahead to tag people, or this is clearly a mess, and you should avoid it. I know a lot of people are getting this type of notification. You can see how they are actually spamming my notification box right here, all in the name of giving me an airdrop called grass and all that. So I need you to know that this is a scam, and you should actually avoid it. All right, so aside that, this is basically all you need to know as regards airdrop. So I won't be surprised if grass airdrop doesn't come even on December and probably on January. So but after December, we should be expecting it any moment as from January or February. So you need to have that long-term mentality, so that even if they give you the airdrop tomorrow or maybe around this November or December, then it will be a very nice thing. But if you keep putting your mind hoping for the airdrop to come today or tomorrow or maybe December, then at the end of the day you may probably end up getting disappointed. So you need to have it in mind that we should be expecting the airdrop any moment as from December, January and February. So if you have that kind of mentality, then trust me, you are ready for whatever that is coming. All right, so this is basically all you need to know as regards the grass airdrop point. And remember, for you to be eligible for the grass airdrop, you need to achieve 100 hours uptime. So over here, basically only 3 hours of my time has been useful, so you need to make sure that you achieve 100 hours uptime so that you'll be eligible. Right here you can see it over here. I only have 3 hours uptime right here, so I need to already have achieved it already on my previous airport, but on this airport 13 I'm just using it as an example to show you what you need to get to be eligible. Achieve 100 hours uptime, that is basically 4 days for you to be eligible for the grass airdrop. And also make sure that okay, make sure that you have connected your wallet and all that. Okay, so over here you can see this is where you need to connect your wallet and of course get it verified. All right, so for you to be fully ready to get the grass airdrop. Also, you should go ahead to download the Android app or desktop app depending on your device, so that you'll be earning even much more faster. All right, so this is basically all you need to know right now as regards the grass airdrop. As soon as more airdrop updates drops, I'll be updating you guys immediately. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. Thank you, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next update dropping very soon.